The next thing that you are going to need is a paintbrush, a water cup, and a paint palette. Now remember, you want to use bright colors and stay inside the lines of the black heart that you made. So you want to make sure that inside your zigzag lines as well as your circles, all of those if you've made, you want to stay inside the black lines. So I'm going to start with my favorite color of purple. Purple, you need watercolor or water to activate the watercolor paints. And remember, take your time as you're putting the watercolor onto your paper. And don't worry about hitting the black line at all, because the crayon is called a resistant, and it won't let that paint go too far beyond it as long as you don't paint over top of the line completely. Okay? So you want to make sure that you're taking your time, and I'm going to create a pattern with color. I'm going to do purple and yellow as my two colors that I am creating on my heart. The fun part about watercolor is that you can get some cool designs just with the water itself. So the next color that I'm going to use is yellow, and I'm going to go in between these two. Did you know that purple and yellow are what's called complementary colors? That's a big word, and sometimes we don't learn about that until we're in the bigger levels of art class, but it's okay if you're hearing it for the first time today. Complementary colors mean that purple and yellow work really well together because they're on the color wheel and they're across from each other. So just something extra to learn a little bit about color as we paint our beautiful heart with the bright colors. You're going to go and you are going to do that for the rest of the sections of the heart. Okay? Take your time. There's no hurry. And make sure that you clean your brush well in between. You may even want to dab it on a newspaper or on a paper towel to get some of the water away from the brush. So I can't wait until you see the next step. Be prepared because it's going to be paint again.